When I look back at the last 5 years, I'm incredibly proud and incredibly grateful. But what excites me most is the future. The Launch My Health Foundation is built. And there are two forces that I believe are going to be the biggest drivers of our growth, and that is AI and the momentum of the food as medicine movement. For us, AI will never replace the human side or the personalization of learning about nutrition and cooking, but it will supercharge it. We can create smarter experiences, more personalization, and have less friction between intention and action, and a greater speed to meet the demand. The second is the food as medicine movement. For decades, healthcare has treated nutrition like an afterthought. But imagine walking out of your doctor's office with a prescription to learn how to cook, what to eat, and live differently. Nutrition integration into healthcare is essential to move the needle on chronic disease. How this looks and how it operationalizes is the fun part. This is the vision. And at its core, nutrition was never the alternative to healthcare. It was always supposed to be the foundation. Healthcare just forgot it. Well, we didn't. And that's exactly what we're here to fix.